as we all know that we're conversing with a person who has represented India at Olympics at the Asian Games. So yeah, just waiting for him to join. And he is. He's not here yet.
Hello, am I visible?
Yes, I could listen to your voice, but you are not visible. Like it's just loading still. Even in the first part, we just had some network disturbances.
Let's wait. Can you please send join request join request again?
All right, so I'll just add you one second.
Oh God, it's still blank. I think network issue is there.
Okay. There are some kind of network issues. Yes, definitely.
I'm trying to resolve it.
Okay, we also have Megha Ramaswamy ma'am with us. So hello ma'am, how are you? Thank you so much for joining with us once again. And it's great to see you back with TEDx Community. And also, Megha, ma'am, I would just like to tell that as we discussed that we need to do something for the communities who are not been given respect. So we and today's guests were just discussing the same, that we have planned something to raise the awareness amongst the communities of LGBTQ. So the team TEDx Column is definitely working on this initiative. We have thought of. So we are just waiting for our guest to join due to some technical issues faced from his side. We can't have him for this time being. Okay, we have Sir once again. And we just hope. Okay, finally, yeah, that's really great that we could join once again. So yeah, once again, welcome to the initiative of TEDx Golden Bridge, which is hashtag Ideas for Inspiring, supported by Curtain Call Production. So thank you so much, sir, once again for joining with us.
Thank you, sir.
All right. So continuing our conversation, right? So I would just like to ask that how will you plan to use your popularity to inspire the youth to excel in the different sports? Like since we discussed that there is a strong need for us to spread awareness about the other sports which are not given like priority to the sports which we are exactly giving it now, right? So how are you planning to you do something in that?
Popularity, I think it is a loaded word. Like popularity attracts attention. When you talk about
Definitely.
popularity, people start observing you. Your They start observing you more consciously. They notice your every moves, every steps that you take. और वो आपको जज करने लग जाते हैं. They also start judging your flaws and failings more consciously, more precisely. तो आई डोंट वांट कि कोई नेगेटिव मैसेज जाए सोसाइटी में ड्यू टू मेरे मेरे कारण. सेकंड थिंग इज, अगर मैं
definitely.
पॉपुलर हो जाऊं, इन केस अगर मैं पॉपुलर हो जाऊं, तो फर्स्टली आई वुड like to call up for an action where every young talent will be promoted and supported right from the ground level. Because आपने
Definitely.
देखा होगा कि इंडियन सोसाइटी में काफी एथलीट्स सरवाइव करते हैं और काफी एथलीट्स गिव अप कर जाते हैं, बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं से वो क्रिटिसाइज नहीं झेल पाते। लाइक जब वो गेम परस्यू करते हैं, जब वो गेम में स्टार्ट करते हैं, खेलना स्टार्ट करते हैं, या कुछ भी कोई भी फील्ड में वो करियर स्टार्ट करते हैं, तो एक तरीके से क्रिटिक फ्रॉम एवरी कॉर्नर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड कि तेरे से नहीं होगा, तू नहीं कर पाएगा, ये वो। बट आपको, जब आप, अगर मैं एग्जांपल लूं, जब आप कोई भी, व्हेन यू सो अ सीड, व्हेन यू सो अ सीड, you have to take care of it as a baby. Like you are taking care of a baby, you have to take care of the seeds in the same manner. Same is the thing implement with we people. When we start a career in any field, we have to take care of that person like a baby, because he is just starting the career. अगर आपने उसको बिगिनिंग
Definitely.
लेवल, रूट लेवल पे आपने उसको सपोर्ट नहीं किया, तो श्योरली वो
आगे बढ़ना
पेड़
मुश्किल
नहीं,
है.
हाँ, वो आगे नहीं बढ़ पाएगा। वो जो वो बीज जो उसने उगाया है, वो एक अच्छा पेड़ नहीं बन पाएगा जो आपको फल दे पाए। तो आई वुड
Definitely.
लाइक टू कॉल अप फॉर एन एक्शन वेयर यंग टैलेंट्स विल बी सपोर्टेड, वेयर their talent will be promoted right from the root level. Second thing, I must say that
Definitely.
youth should analyze their interest, कि हाँ भाई उनको क्या करना चाहिए, किस वे में करना चाहिए। इफ दे आर परसुइंग, लाइक अगर मेरे को स्टेशन जाना है, तो मेरे को स्टेशन जाने के लिए पहले तो मेरे को रास्ता पता होना चाहिए।
Definitely.
ओनली देन ओनली देन आई एम एबल टू रीच द स्टेशन। तो सेम इज द थिंग, एंड वी हैव टू
Definitely.
वर्क हार्ड अकॉर्डिंगली। तो मैं अपनी पॉपुलैरिटी को यही कहूंगा कि जो भी गेम अभी पीछे है इन द सेंस, जिसको डेवलप करना चाहिए, आई वुड टेक अ स्टैंड फॉर दोज ऑल द गेम्स एंड ऑल दोज एथलीट्स हु नीड टू बी लुक आफ्टर।
Definitely. And sir, अगर बात कर रहे हैं तो what would be your one message which you will be giving it to the skaters who are listening to you?
हाँ, यस, मैनी स्केटर्स जिनसे मैं मिला हूँ, काफी स्केटर्स अच्छी अच्छी पोजीशन पे भी है, और काफी स्केटर्स ऐसे हैं जो रियली अच्छा कर रहे हैं, दे आर रियली डूइंग गुड, बट स्टिल दे आर नॉट अचीविंग दैट काइंड ऑफ अचीवमेंट जो उनको उनकी परफॉर्मेंस के अकॉर्डिंग मिलनी चाहिए। तो उनके लिए आई शुड से दैट dedicate yourself to the training, your consistency decide the rate of achieving the success। लाइक जितना आप कंसिस्टेंट रहोगे,
Definitely.
उतना ही आपको जल्दी अचीवमेंट मिलेगी। एक चीज है, एवरी एथलीट हैव टू वर्क इन ए सिंसियर वे, नॉट टू इम्प्रेस अदर,
Definitely.
but to impress themselves, but to
Express
make,
ourselves.
yeah,
Definitely. Yeah.
but to make your parents feel proud। एंड अगर शॉर्ट में कहूँ तो काफी बच्चे या काफी एथलीट्स सोचते हैं कि मैंने 2 महीने मेहनत कर ली और मेरा मेडल आ जाएगा। लिसन, आई वुड लाइक टू से वन थिंग टू ऑल दोस एथलीट्स, रोम वाज नॉट बिल्ट इन अ डे।
Definitely.
तो
Definitely.
you have to take time, you have to give your time, and you have to be focused। लाइक जो आप कर रहे हो, आपको वो करना है, और आपने उसके लिए यू हैव टू गो थ्रू एनी सर्कमस्टांस, यू हैव टू गो थ्रू।
Definitely. And that's such a great thought. One can ever receive. So thank you so much for sharing this thought. And moving forward with our other questions, that I would just like to ask that who is that one person you feel proud of?
Not one, I would like to say three: mother, father, and
Okay,
my coach।
okay,
So
definitely, yeah, the
I feel proud
inspiration.
of my parents. Yeah, I feel proud of my parents, I feel proud of my coach, because they are the person who are always giving their 100%, हमेशा। They are doing the selfless job to raise me, to raise my, to give me, to, so that I can take a stand in the society, so that I can stand ऑफ माई ओन लेग, ताकि मैं अपने पैरों पे खड़ा हो सकूं और मैं सोसाइटी में एक ऐसा मुकाम हासिल कर सकूं जहां से लोग मेरे को रिस्पेक्ट दे और मैं भी उनके प्यार का हकदार बन सकूं इन अ पॉजिटिव वे।
Definitely.
तो दे
Definitely.
वो सब क्या, ये माय पेरेंट्स है, माय कोचेस, I do respect all the parents, I do respect all the coaches because the countless things they are doing for their child, one can never ever able to pay back for the favors, one can never ever be able to pay back.
Definitely. All right. तो सर अगर आपकी अभी पर्सनल लाइफ की बात करें, so what are your other hobbies?
uh Dancing, yes, I often dance,
Okay.
yeah. I
That's such a new thing to hear.
whenever I get free time, अगर पढ़ाई करके हटाऊं और I want to get my mind refresh, I just put on my headphone and dance. I start dancing. After winning, uh, achieving some feat, I start dancing. Anything
Okay.
I जो भी मेरे को मिलता है मैं बस डांस करना पसंद करता हूँ. And second thing is
Definitely.
I also have good skill in drawing, but I think dancing ज्यादा प्रायोरिटी है.
Okay. Okay. So you just be yourself whenever you get some
Yeah,
free time or
I
something
just
is happening
yeah I
good with
just
you.
enjoy my own I just enjoy my own company.
That's really great. That's really great. That enjoy the me time, which we can say.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right. So, the we have last three questions. So one is that how do you deal with the failures? So definitely you said something about the roadblocks and the difficulties, but still, how do you deal with the failures? If you can just put some light to this.
Oh, I think failure is the best teacher for anyone out there. I think so.
Definitely,
Yeah,
definitely,
because दुनिया में दो तरह के इंसान होते हैं, एक होता है जो खुद गलती करके सीखता है और एक होता है जो दूसरों की गलती से सीखता है. एंड
definitely,
एक जैसे मेरे टीचर कहते थे, एक थर्ड कैटेगरी भी आती है जो कहते हैं कि वो ना तो खुद से सीखता है ना वो दूसरों से सीखता है, बट आई डोंट कंसीडर कि ऐसा कोई होगा, क्योंकि एवरीवन,
definitely,
हर कोई कुछ ना कुछ तो सीखता है, चाहे वो खुद गलती करे तब सीखे या दूसरा गलती करे तब सीखे. तो वेन एवर आई गेट द डिफीट आई कुड जस्ट, या अगर मैं हार जाता हूँ, रेस हार जाता हूँ, तो आई लुक इनटू द रेस कि भाई मैंने कहाँ पे क्या मिस्टेक किया. देन आई स्टार्ट टॉकिंग टू माई कोचेज, स्टार्ट टॉकिंग टू माई पेरेंट्स, एंड एक तरीके से हम अपनी रेस को एनालाइज करते हैं, अपनी परफॉर्मेंस को एनालाइज करता हूँ मैं अपने कोच के साथ कि सर मैं ये रेस हार गया तो मैं क्यों हारा, कहाँ पे मेरी कमी रही है. तो मेरे लिए इट्स नॉट अ
definitely,
वीकनेस, मेरे लिए इट्स नॉट अ वीकनेस. इन रियलिटी वी गेट टू नो आवर पोटेंशियल एंड आवर एटमोस्ट मैक्सिमम रीच, कि हाँ भाई हमने वहां तक किया और तब जाके हम हार गए, कहाँ पे कमी रहेगी वो चीज,
definitely,
या वो मेरे को फेलियर से पता चलता है. तो आई डोंट थिंक कि फेलियर को आप एज ए ये लेके चलो कि आपका यहाँ से आगे कुछ नहीं होने वाला. फेलियर इज द थिंग जहां से आपको सीखने को मिलता है, आपको एक नई होप मिल जाती है कि हाँ भाई मैं यहाँ इस लेवल तक आ गया हूँ और मेरे को यहाँ से आगे इतना एफर्ट और करना पड़ेगा. आफ्टर गेटिंग, जब आप फेल हो जाते हो तो आप दोबारा से यू गेट बैक टू द जॉब, दैट इज ट्रेनिंग. अब यू गेट बैक टू द जॉब, यू स्टार्ट पुटिंग एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट. अगर आपने 70 या 80% के एफर्ट से आपने रेस भागी है, तो यू आर पुटिंग 100% इन योर ट्रेनिंग. तो
definitely,
अल्टीमेटली वो जब आप 100% आप अपना ट्रेनिंग में दे रहे हो, तो अल्टीमेटली वो रेस में या आपके कंपटीशन में आपको वो निकलेगा. यू विल गेट द रिजल्ट अल्टीमेटली. So I just want to say that
definitely.
don't give up. You should keep moving till your last breath.
Definitely, definitely. And once again, we have Ma'am Amisha Ma'am's comment. So is thank you, her. She did well to introduce a junior champ because of most of the people don't know about winter games. And after watching this live session, hope people must be knowing about ice skating game. So, ma'am, we should thank you. That thank you so much for making me yeah. You introduced me with Mr. Rikshit Kharolia. So thank you so much. And that is it. Yeah. Okay. So we have one more question, which is like last two questions. So describe yourself in one word. Like, how would you describe yourself in one word, and why will it be?
One word, I think, not a one word. I should say it's just a quote which I think I found it related to me.
Definitely, please go on.
Uh,
Definitely,
don't.
please go on.
That is something that don't compromise yourself. You are all you have. Never underestimate yourself.
Sorry, can you just repeat it? I couldn't hear it properly.
Don't compromise yourself. You are all you have.
Okay, okay, all
Yeah.
right. Definitely,
Don't
that's
underestimate
totally,
yourself.
yeah.
Don't underestimate yourself. Just keep pushing yourself beyond your limits. जहां तक आप सोच सकते हो उससे आगे अपने आप को पुश करो. Only then you are going to have something different in you, which will separate you from rest of the world.
Okay, so it was for me too.
Yeah.
All right, okay. Thank you, thank you. And one last question that, like any of your one message. Okay, so we also have Mr. Raj Kumar Kharoli. I don't know if he's
Yeah. My father.
relative
My
to you.
father. My father.
Okay, okay. Hello, sir. Thank you so much for joining. And we just, like few minutes ago, we just had a great salute to you and Prikshit sir's mother. So thank you so much for giving this young talent to our nation. And we all are really very inspired by a strong personality like Mr. Prikshit Kharolia. So thank you
This is
so much,
this is the
sir.
first time they both are joining my live session. Thanks to both
Okay,
my parents.
thank you so much. Thank you, really, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, so we have one last question, one final question. That a message for Team TEDx Golden Bridge.
Uh, Firstly, I should thank you again for taking the time to speak with me, for giving me additional insight into the responsibilities and day-to-day duties involved. Because I never thought anything like this would happen. And one more thing, our conversation today was totally increased my interest in the role, because I was like, till before this interview or before I started talking to you, I was just considering myself an athlete who is just performing improving the game or performing the game. But now I really came to know about my responsibility, that what being an athlete means. सेकंड थिंग इज दैट मैं टेडेक्स को फॉलो कर रहा हूँ जब से अमीशा मैम को लाइव देखा था. एंड आई ऑल्सो सीन सम लाइव सेशन विद द कैप्टन जो है अपने, उनके साथ भी
Dharamveer
आजकल
sir.
धर्मवीर सर के साथ भी अपने लाइव किया था, वो भी देखा था मैंने. तो आई थिंक टेडेक्स टीम टेडेक्स एंड यू स्पेशली हर्ष, you are really doing great job by bringing up the young and amazing talents. This initiative encourages people to accomplish the task in the better way. Keep inspiring people in the same way. Hashtag ideas worth inspiring. That's you and your team. Salute to you, to your
Thank
team.
you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And here is the final salute for today's evening. So salute to you, sir. Thank you so much for inspiring audience, and thank you so much for accepting our invitation. And this was hashtag Ideas Worth Inspiring with Mr. Prikshit Kharolia and supported by Curtain Call Productions.
Oh,
Thank you so
thank
much
you.
once again, everyone. Thank you so much for joining with us. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind, sir. Bye. 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 Thank you.